talked about with the angles in the 4 quadrants, here's what I need you to do. This says all students take classes. And you're going to be like, what does that mean? I want you to go to here and notice that this is quadrant 1, 2, you might want to write this down, 3, and 4. So lucky for us, this goes in the order that we do our quadrants. I want you to understand all students take classes and not just say, well, what does that mean? So I'm going to compare what's up here in green on your paper and what's down here. Okay, first of all, this is all. What does that mean? That means that all of the 6 trig functions are going to give us a positive result in quadrant 1. Look what it says right here. Quadrant 1, all trig functions are positive. Okay? All students. Now instead of students, I'm going to put sign because the S represents sign. So all students, now here's why. In this quadrant, quadrant 2, what trig functions do you think are going to give us positive results only? Sine and its reciprocal. What's its reciprocal, Hunter? Cosecant. So right here, you can remind yourself that sine and its reciprocal. You don't even have to memorize this one, because if you know this, you know it's reciprocal. So the S stands for sine. So far, all students, all, and then we have sine. Right here, this stands for take, and this is going to be our tangent. Because when you land in quadrant 3, all the results are going to be negative except for tangent and what? Cotangent. And then finally, all students take classes. This is our cosine. So if your angle lands in quadrant 4, which means it's bigger than 270, smaller than 360, your answers will only be positive if you're doing the cosine function and its reciprocal, which is secant.